what, Peyton?
More tattoos.
I just wanted to start off this video to say thank y'all so much. Ooh, let me clean the camera real quick. Thank you so much for all the brand new subscribers that we have. Let me just introduce ourselves once again. Peyton, he's always on his phone. My name is Carmelita, and this is my husband Peyton, and we're the Middleton family. We have 2 little girls, and currently housing 4 more children, my niece and my nephews. And Peyton likes to do this on camera when I'm trying to do an intro. However, we're super glad that y'all decided to subscribe to our channel, and we cannot wait for many more memories that we're about to create. But anywho, why'd you turn it off?
What happened?
You turn it off. You just did that so that they can hear it on camera.
No, actually I didn't.
But I got my
COVID.
We said that at the same time! Okay, so I got my water. Oh my gosh, let me pull this up because it's giving. Oh! I got my water. Stay hydrated.
It's funny how there's better lighting in here than you're in your stupid truck.
I know. And then I got my cup of Chex O mix because, like, before I get a tattoo,
I like to eat because I feel like I'm gonna pass out when I'm getting my tattoo, even though they're gonna be this big, but I still feel like I'm gonna pass out. I just had to get that off my chest. Cause you know it ain't mine.
okay. Anything else you'd like to say?
Yeah.
Looking for these better days.
Copyright!
Copyright?
Yes, we would get copyright.
How?
Because
It's Tupac.
we'd still get copyright. Oh guys, look at my husband's one of his anniversary gifts that I got him.
Legend. It's my forehead. Got a new one.
It's a hat. Alright
It
guys.
says Middleton on the back, but then on the front, it's got this. Don't even. You haven't been in the mood.
Anyways.
Stop, dude. I'm just messing with you. Damn. I'm with you at all. I guess I should turn off the music even though it's been playing this entire time. Just in case that they can hear it. Just Tupac.
Alright, let's go! Get some tattoos! Ow!
You're so over dramatic when you're in this car. You're like, oh my god, everything about this car hurts me. Oh my god, no. Stop.
I'm not kidding.
Yeah, you are. You're so over dramatic about this car. Can you lean back some? Like, dang, you're sitting up straight. Like, you're fancy. I've been saying that all day. Yeah, like, we're fancy.
I'm gonna be a fancy wife one day. Alright guys, so we're gonna get back on the vlog when we get there. Bye. Hello, say good morning. Say good morning.
I'm on a Monday.
You had cake this morning?
Yeah, Mama.
What?
Mama made it.
I am vlogging. Say hi, Gracie.
I
Say good morning.
am morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Say morning. Good morning. All right.
Mama.
You gonna say good morning?
Feet running away. Morning. My feet running away.
So if y'all are wondering why this vlog is a little different from the last clip that you just saw, we were supposed to get our tattoos done. However, we had a very unexpected change of events. The tattoo artist that we went to go see, Dylan, he's awesome, but he was tattooing someone else, and so we had to come back to my mom's house. And then once we got back to my mom's house, my mom said, you know what, I'm going out of town. Take all the kids. And we said, oh, okay, that's cool. So we took all the kids back, and once we did that, we still had signs. We do sign Gypsy every night. Yeah, we do, Pete. And so I had to stay home with the girls.
My date.
Yeah. I had to stay home with the girls, and Peyton took the boys and did the signs last night, and that's kind of where we are now. So, as you can see, we have cupcakes for breakfast. When Peyton makes breakfast, it's cupcakes, leftover birthday cake. Because this little girl this morning said, Mama, get up, I want birthday cake. And it's already at 12 o'clock, so why not? Yeah, your cake.
It took me a long time to figure it out.
Yeah, let's go say hi to Emily. Oh, and a very fun fact for today. Oh my gosh, it's really dark in here. It's like super dark. Yeah. Our little Miss Emmeline Olivia Lively, got her first tooth. Yeah, you got your first tooth. Yeah, she did. She got her first tooth. I don't know if y'all can see. Yummy see. Oh, okay, yeah, she's not gonna let me see it. But she got her first tooth in this morning, and I felt it, and I was like, oh my goodness, my stinky baby. And if you're wondering what is on her face, she got a bug bite. Because why? You were at the park with Granny, and you got bug bites on your little chunky feet. Yeah, I think she's allergic to bug bites, because look at this. Oh. She got that one there, and then she's got a few over here. And this is just our daily life. But this is us today, and there's a lot going on that we want to like discuss with y'all a little bit later when the kids aren't here and they're not listening to what we're saying. But yeah, let's go say hi to Dada. And we're not gonna really do anything today because Peyton's like, okay, P. Oh, you want me to sit? How do y'all like the queso? Is it spicy? So this is Peyton's famous, okay, Emmeline, this is Peyton's famous queso, if I can get a piece. Oh, wow. Good morning. Okay, let's go see Emmeline.
Good morning.
Good morning. So let's go, Emmeline. So we got some pork chops, defrosting. Say good morning, Peyton, to the vlog. How's your day?
Good. Started off with queso.
Oh my gosh, is that what you're cooking?
It's a good day.
Beautiful day. We love that queso.
Emmeline, sticky butt. Ooh, this looks so good, babe. Oh, we should probably turn this on, because, you know. Can I get some? Give me some, please. I'll take a drink of this.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
Okay, you want me a Coke? You want me a Coke? So.
Ah,
That was my last one.
it's okay. You gonna go pick up your daughter?
Not really.
Peyton!
Dip in the back.
Mm.
You want some too?
All of them.
Alright, we'll try some.
Y'all, look at this. I know we always show y'all his queso, but it's seriously the best queso I have ever had.
In my whole life.
In your whole life? You said in your whole life, Alex? That's awesome. Look at this. It's just so good.
Has our mom ever tried this? What? Oh.
Mmm.
Wait till she comes out.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, stop making the sound.
We need more chips. Please.
A rating out of 10. What would you give this queso?
100. 100.
Really?
I had to pass the 10.
Okay.
It's an easy
P, how much would you give? You want more?
Can you bring something for something?
Yes, baby. I'll take some.
Can we have some more dip too?
Oh my gosh, you're a little needy today, Gracie.
What does needy mean?
They're probably hungry, right?
We need a lot of things.
Mm-hmm.
Needy in a house. We need a house needy.
Hold on, baby.
Oh, yummy, 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 yummy.
Put the plate down.
Needy.
Put the plate down here.
Like, yummy.
Put the plate down here.
What? Dip all a little.
That's good. What, baby? You want more?
You got probably take my face. Wait, that's our school. What? No, it's not.
That's where I went to school, high school.
Do I not get dinner? Alex, why did you just want some?
All right, let me go get y'all silver blades.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
What are you doing? You want some to drink? Okay, okay.
I washed your sippy cup.
Huh?
I washed your sippy cup. There should be somewhere around there.
Okay.
No, not that one.
Okay, so we stopped y'all for a second and I was trying to get something to eat. But then we got on the conversation of that Cece's challenge of the big huge pizza in Katy, Texas, where you can basically just eat and then you got $500 gift card to Cece's. But these kids don't know what Cece's is. Do y'all really don't know what Cece's is? No. Cece's Pizza?
No. Caesar's? What?
No, not Little Caesars, Cece's.
No. Cece's?
Yeah, Cece's Pizza.
You never heard of it? I think you should take us there.
Yeah, not gonna happen. I do my dicky butt. Good morning.
Wait, what's Cece's?
It's a pizza place.
It's like a pizza buffet.
Cece's.
Suckers, I bet y'all been there.
No, we have been there before. What?
Yes, y'all have.
No, we haven't. Yes, we have been there. No, we go to Domino's, Little Caesars, and that's pretty much all when we get pizza. And our homemade pizza. Oh, yeah. And what do you want to do it?
Cece's is the pizza buffet.
What? I'm trying a buffet.
Payne, hold her back.
Okay, it's all you can eat. Alright. Do you have any tortillas? Do you have any more tortillas? No, you don't like it.
Tortillas.
Yeah, tortillas. You don't get on my seat. Oh, I thought you said. Mom, we have that.
It's a pizza buffet. There's a bunch of pizzas.
Oh, look. Tortillas.
Where are you getting mad?
Where, little turd? Tortillas. I'm bigger than you, so let me handle it. Get the tortillas.
What are y'all trying to do?
Get the tortillas. That's all.
Why?
Understand because we're going to make our homemade food. Come on. You ready? Hunter, stand up. No. Stand up. Yeah. And look at me. Yep. Yeah! Okay, get it down.
Are you filming this?
I know this is ready? Come up here. You're gonna get this tortilla. Get those tortillas. You got the tortillas. Get the big box.
Be careful. Go to the couch. Go to the couch. Good job. Yeah. Daily life, Peyton, of a family of 8 on a Sunday, and we have nowhere else to go. Yes, Gracie?
Can you make me my already to show that please?
No! Gracie, y'all You also have some.
Some of them are left.
Well, we haven't eaten any. Yeah.
Hunter, make something that is so good.
What? Wait.
Famous cookies.
Can you pass me a
Ranch. We need cheese. Do you have cheese?
No.
No cheese at all?
No, we have no more cheese.
No, we cannot make it.
Let's go ahead and put these back.
Why? What?
Hunter, I want to put them back.
Wait, no.
Payne, stop.
What are you guys gonna make?
It was a good burrito.
What
I
was in it?
It's cheese and ranch.
What?
You heat it up.
In the microwave. No, okay, so you have your tortilla, you put sprinkled cheese on it, like you know sprinkled cheese. And then you heat it up in the microwave where the cheese melts and then you pour ranch on it and then you roll it up into a taco.
Wow, okay.
Okay.
You start with the tortilla.
Alright, come on. Gracie, watch out.
Why? Can you say that? Can I do it?
Steal. Scoot up. Okay.
What's C?
Say it.
Oh my gosh, are you okay, Hunter?
Okay.
Okay, why don't I just do it?
No.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you got the tortilla.
Okay.
You got the tortillas. What's the tortillas? You got the tortillas.
Look at him.
Look at
Oh my God, Hunter! Hunter, no!
Go.
Do we have a cooking board?
No.
No. I cooked already too much.
Is it in my bag?
Where?
There, right there.
That's a plastic.
No, that's Ziploc.
No. No.
No, that's tinfoil.
Aww.
That's popcorn.
Wait, we have plastic.
What is this? Eat it up off the fire?
Yeah.
Cook this off the fire?
Y'all want to do that?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
How do we do it? Oh, right here.
Mm-hmm. Wait, pause that. Pause it.
It's gonna pop. Yeah, no. I'm gonna.
It's gonna blow up.
I'm cooking it. Can I cook
Watch
it?
out.
Hold on.
Let me do it.
Let me have a second.
No. You guys got soda yesterday because you guys suckered me in because I wasn't even thinking twice about it.
Wait, what?
Oh, no, those do not work.
You filled me up like this much.
I put it in the.
Gracie put this in the microwave one time we had it.
What? Okay, so you have to
Hunter, I gotta get the green beans. Come on, let me hop on.
No.
hold this, Hunter.
Green beans.
Can I?
Ooh, I'm vlogging. Is it vlogging? We're opening up the popcorn. Y'all gonna see me cook the popcorn. What's
Wow, I was not expecting to look like this.
Hey,
Do not remove this tab. Y'all, don't touch that. Do not remove this tab.
Follow all directions.
I don't know the directions. Oh, right here.
Booyah.
If you were to split right in the middle, you would have got
Oh, it
blown
just
up.
pops right out. Oh, no, this is cool. Okay. Baby's watch me eat. Please say.
Look at this baby, look at this baby.
Why is it burning?
Because of all that.
Oh, hey, okay, I want to cook it. Okay, so does the camera just sit
Why
up?
you didn't start on that one?
Okay, Hunter, you're not gonna cook this.
Oh, you make me so disappointed.
What are you supposed to do?
Okay, so it's gonna get really big, and then it's gonna get even bigger, and then it's just gonna poof, and then we should eat it. That seems pretty good. That seems pretty right? It doesn't look like it's growing though. We just hear poof and it pops everywhere.
Oh my God, that would be scary.
Okay, so when you hear a sizzling sound, you shake the pan very fast in circular motion, then back and forth.
I'm doing it.
You gotta make sure you look at the directions for your aunt, because your aunt doesn't like to follow all the directions.
Okay, got it.
Oh, you hear it sizzling. Check it.
No, while it's on the, you gotta do it while it's on the, it says until it's fully expanded, but you gotta keep it on there.
Okay, move away, Gracie. What are y'all doing? Watch out for P. Y'all stop doing that. P, move away. I will in a second, baby. Alex and Skylar. Y'all stop. P, don't throw anything at him. P.
Beat him up. Beat him up.
P.
It's not even expanding, is it?
Oh.
You can hear that popcorn.
It's gonna be good.
Cook it up in the kitchen.
I'll do it, Peyton.
I think it's burnt.
I can do it.
I want to do it.
I watched your video when you were cooking the kitchen.
You're gonna do
Cooking
it?
the chicken. You said, cooking in that coconut oil.
I think it's ready.
No, oh, there's a truck. Oh, it's expanding.
Fine. You don't have to do it so fast.
Hannah,
You just keep it on
I'm
there.
not watching it.
Hannah, you just cut in front of me.
You
Why?
were all the way back there.
Hey,
What?
everybody can see. Trust me. Back up, y'all.
Yeah,
Back
we
up. Gracie, go see where P is.
It's breaking the middle. It just
You
falls
gotta
down.
keep it on the pan while it's doing it. You can't let it go up. Directions.
This is a lot of work.
Yeah.
I was doing a great job.
Can you do one thing at a time? Can you
You
eat?
can go grab another thing. There's always another one.
Okay, now this is getting kind of crazy here. Okay, I think
Whoa.
it's done. I think it's done, guys. It looks like a hat now. Just look at it. It looks like a hat.
Turn the vent on.
The vent. Look.
Somebody open up the back door.
Rain. Look at it. Where? Ow. Is this our homemade?
For how long, Peyton?
I don't know. Until it's fully expanded, and I think it's already been fully expanded.
Gracie, take Pete over there, baby.
Woo! The smoke alarm's gonna go off or something.
Yeah, that was such a bad idea. Hunter, throw that away from me.
Yay! We went fishing.
Oh my god. I do not recommend that. It smells up your house so bad. Like burnt popcorn.
So you never buy this, right?
Yeah, do not recommend that.
I recommend this kind of popcorn. This kind.
Yeah.
We just heat it up in the microwave.
Oh my gosh. Payne, should we open it up, see what it looks like?
Wait a few minutes.
Emily, why are you crying, Diggy Diggy? There you go, baby. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, no more fighting. Oh, okay, no more fighting. Hey. I'm not playing with y'all. Hunter. Oh my gosh. Stop them, Peyton. Okay. No more. Oh, how did it come out?
It smells horrible.
look great. But, no.
Done. Yeah.
But it was something fun for the kids to experience.
Done.
And
Stop crying.
Peyton. But yeah,
Look at that.
10 out of 10. Do not recommend.
0 out of 0.
I mean, yeah, 0 out of 10. Do not recommend. Oh,
Oh, that rhymes.
it's burnt.
Does it taste good though?
No.
Oh, it doesn't kind of like.
Oh.
It's not bad.
It's not bad, but it ain't good. Huh?
It's kind of burnt on the inside.
Oh my gosh, it tastes so stale.
Herbie,
It's stale.
you don't want to try it?
That chokehold? Oh, that just brought him down in the chokehold. I don't know. I'm not brought him down in the chokehold. No, no. I'm trying to get his arm to kill backwards.
We watched some karate.
Yeah, we watched some
clips.
karate this morning.
Oh, that's why y'all are.
Yeah, that's why we were karate. What? But we're not trying. We just did a little, you know, just a little karate.
Mm-hmm. Hi, baby. I'm okay. Start cleaning off your area. All right, move back, move back.
That's a 0 out of 0.
0. All right, guys. So it's just me and Emma Winnie now. She's just gonna be down here. So if you hear her making noises, that's because she's here. But look at her. She's so cute. Yeah. You wanna be in the video? I wanted to kind of just get away from everyone. Okay. Alright guys, so I kind of just want to take a few moments of y'all's time and just kind of tell you what's kind of going on in our lives. I know that this angle is really weird, but just bear with me. So this week I went to the doctor's and I thought I had this thing called vertigo. I've had it for as long as I could remember, and just recently it's been getting worse and worse. So basically what I have is I can just be standing up, and if I'm not moving or I'm not keeping my body in motion, I can simply faint and pass out and not really remember me fainting before. And it started to become really noticeable when I got pregnant with my first daughter. And it's because and if you're wondering, it's because Emily's playing with the bottle. About 10 years ago, when I was around 10 years old, I was riding a horse and the saddle slipped and I hit the ground really bad, which caused my back to have some damage to it. I can't really feel. I kind of lost some feeling in the right side of my back. So that's kind of what I've been dealing with for a long time. And then, yeah, Emily. And then, like I said, once I got pregnant with my girls, my vertigo, or what was supposed to be vertigo, kind of got worse, where if I'm standing up for too long, I faint. But yeah, so I went to the doctor recently because I'm like, I have to know what's going on. This has been something that has really affected my life. I don't go anywhere by myself. I don't really get out. I just like to stay home, and it's because I don't know when the episode's gonna happen. I don't know where it could happen. I mean, there was, you know, I now, since I've had it for a long time, I kind of know when it's gonna happen. I know how to control it. So basically what happens is my head gets really, really cold, as if someone put a fan directly on my head. And I feel it in mainly my forehead, where my forehead gets super, super cold. And then my vision, so like, it's like a kind of closes in like this. and so everything else just kind of gets black, and then it goes into a small little hole where I can't see anything else, and then it I just black out, and then I fall. And when I fall, and I mean, it can happen anywhere. So I went to the doctor, and she said that I could the things that it's happening, it could be seizures. And so I have to get some blood tests this week, and I'm getting some brain tests done just to see if I had any brain damage from when I fell, and if that happened, and then to see if the nerves in my back, if it's caused by a pinched nerve. And so we're on that journey, and it's kind of scary. And then, you know, just with the stress of having 6 kids in the house, we have to, you know, decide what we're gonna do with that journey. And I don't really know, and we kind of know what our answer is. Oh baby, is this your water? Here, you can have the water. Kind of, you know, we don't really want to discuss everything that's going on, but we just want to be able to be real and raw with our supporters. And having 6 kids and a small, our apartment's not small, it's actually bigger than a lot of people's apartments, but it's just the fact that, like, mentally it's really draining. I'm a Linny, look at your widow, she got a mosquito bite right there. So if you're watching this, Mom, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so it's mentally draining, I will say. And oh, it's okay, my baby. And now we just kind of have to think about what we're gonna do, because we really have to think about our family, you know, our girls, and Payne's working, and we have the Sign Gypsy job that we do in the afternoons, and here. So we really know our answer of what our next step is, but we're just so thankful and so blessed for all the subscribers that have joined us so far. And we just are so, like, I just can't, you know, I can't say thank you enough for clicking that subscribe button and joining the Middleton family. And that's a little update on our life right now. It's kind of crazy, but thank you for joining our journey we call life, and to join the Middleton family. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and just comment down some positive okay baby, here go mamas. Yeah, it's a water bottle. Comment down some positive, oh gosh, Emma Winnie. Like I said, comment down some positive vibe quotes and stuff, and just God bless everyone, and thank you so much for joining our journey. Say goodbye, Emma Winnie. Say bye-bye.